Many people view dismissive avoidance as distant, but beneath the surface lies a hidden tendency to please others. According to attachment theory, these individuals learned early on that expressing emotional needs was unsafe or simply ignored. As a result, they focus on meeting others' needs while suppressing their own. Take acts of service, for example. Instead of sharing their feelings, they show love by fixing problems, helping out, or providing support. Then there's the low-maintenance facade. They often say, "I'm fine," even when they're struggling. They may avoid conflict by agreeing with others, withdrawing, or shutting down, all in an effort to keep the peace. But this behavior isn't rooted in confidence. It's a form of emotional self-protection. Genuine healing begins when dismissive avoidants learn to express their own needs instead of hiding them away. "I'm learning to speak up," she shares, and the room feels lighter.